Automatic integrated cocoa bean grinding and molding intelligent production line. One-stop processing from raw cocoa beans to chocolate forming. Modular stations for flexible customized layout. Constant temperature fine grinding retains original rich cocoa flavor. Switchable multi-stack depositing processes for mass production of various chocolates. Cocoa grading machine, particle size sorting, uniform roasting, stable processing, consistent flavor, and cost control. Cocoa cleaning machine, air separation removes sand, gravel, and moldy beans, purifying raw materials, protecting equipment, and preserving hygiene and flavor. Stone separator, remove stone impurities via density sorting, protect equipment and ensure food safety. Elevator and roaster, Z-type elevator feeds beans. Chain plate hot air roasting dries, sterilizes and develops cocoa flavor. Cocoa peeling machine, roller pressing and air separation ensure clean peeling with intact kernels, sealed dust removal system for easy maintenance, produces high-purity cocoa chips. Combined grinding machine, finely grinds slurry, maintains constant temperature and locks in oil, high output and easy to clean. Insulated tanks homogenize liquor to avoid solidification and delamination. Fine grinding and refining, micron-level superfine grinding, shear and aeration remove off nodes to create smooth chocolate base. Cocoa melting line, melts and stirs semi-finished products, eliminating the need for grinding beans, and is quick to start production, flexible and efficient. Cocoa butter melting and storage, melt cocoa butter at constant temperature, stir and store to maintain optimal fluidity. Precise tempering, accurate temperature control, shear reshape fat crystals for glossy texture, crispness and long shelf life. Coating machine, integrate enrobing, vibrating and air cooling for chocolate-coated products. A hot air knife blows away excess chocolate to control thickness and save material while smoothing the coating, eliminating air bubbles, and maintaining a constant temperature to prevent premature setting, resulting in a smooth finish and clean edges. Cooling and arranging system, tunnel cooling solidifies chocolates. A lining machine arranges products to match high-speed packaging. Auto packaging, horizontal flow wrapper, realizes automatic sealing and wrapping. Chocolate depositing unit, precise dosing with adjustable size and weight. Food-grade non-stick belt auto demolds, supporting 24H unattended continuous production. 10-head scales offer high precision, high speed, and material savings. It can be linked with packaging machines. To reduce manual intervention, the vertical packaging machine integrates bag making, filling, and sealing. It is easy to operate, saves materials, is fast, and has accurate measurement. Finished products are manually packed into boxes. Automatic chocolate molding line. Auto mold feeding and preheating improve fluidity and demolding. Programmable precise depositing for filled and multicolor chocolates. Vibration degassing eliminates bubbles for flawless glossy products. Multi-layer vertical cooling tunnel saves space with sufficient solidification. Mechanical flipping and vibrating auto demolding, recycled molds for full unmanned operation. Grind and extract rich cocoa liquor. Flexible multi-type depositing one intelligent line. For all smooth chocolate varieties, customizable equipment available. Welcome inquiries.